Hey there viewer, it looks like you've caught me eating the Nabisco Pokemon Mini Nilla Wafer collaboration featuring the Fire Starter Pokemon. Would you like one? Alright everyone, we all know what we're here for. We're here to celebrate 25 years of Pokemon siphoning money out of our pockets. And how is Pokemon celebrating? Well, they're pulling out all the stops and busting out all sorts of variants and amalgamations. Yeah, I dusted off my SAT book the other day, did some light reading. Anyway, back to Pokemon. They're just pulling out all sorts of different variants of Pokemon from the yesteryears. We're talking about the EXs, the lowercase EXs, GX, Gold Star, Vs, which are the current day cards, and then they also have Primes. They also have some Delta species thrown in there. They even have some throwback cards. They even have the reprints again. So yeah, it's quite literally pandemonium out there as far as the TCG goes, and I'm all here for it. Alright, so let's look at the promos real quick. We have Lance's Charizard. So like I said, they're doing some throwbacks, paying homage to the yesteryears of Pokemon. They have Lance's Charizard, which is a nod to the owner Pokemons that they used to have back in the day. Pretty damn cool. I like this idea. An idea that's very cool, but the execution is kind of weird. The Dark Sylveon, and no one really expected this. But yeah, Dark Pokemon were first introduced in Team Rocket's, the Team Rocket set, which was well over 2 decades ago at this point. Pretty damn cool. A little weird in the selection of Pokemon. I don't know, Dark Sylveon, what are you doing? Something sinister going on that head of yours. And then we have, of course, the code card. You'll get the rest of the digits somewhere along the opening. So let's get to the actual packs. Hold your horses. Before we get to the actual pack, we have the oversized Jumbo Big Mama Lance's Charizard V promo card with the Celebrations logo and full glory there. Obviously, it's very reminiscent of the 20th anniversary of Pokemon. Just changed the left cheek of Pikachu. Very innovative Pokemon. But wait, there's more. There's, of course, the commemorative collectible Charizard coin. That's somewhat borderline epileptic-inducing. And then there's the Sylveon pin. I am a huge sucker for pins. This one, pretty cool. I forgot to mention this, but yeah, there's also a pamphlet with like a detailed thesis on each certain type of Pokemon. Obviously, we went over it. The Dark Pokemon and the Owner's Pokemon. Pretty cool for Pokemon to throw this in, just to give like whoever's, you know, part of the newer, younger generation of Pokemon collectors a brief history and a rundown of what these cards were like back literally decades ago. Cool. Alright, enough of my banter. Let's get into the meat and potatoes. We have 6 celebration packs, pretty nice generous amount, and we got 2 of the normal standard Sword and Shield packs. Let's open up, let's say, 3 celebrations, and then we crack open one of the normal packs. So let's see what my first pack of celebration holds. I'm pretty sure there is a pack trick, some way, somehow, but I couldn't be bothered to perform it. Here's the code card. I'm assuming all of them have white backs, yeah? Let's see what the first one holds. We have a Palkia. Nice. Cool. By the way, I just have to mention, all the cards here are going to be crazy, hyped, and valuable the first couple of days of the release of Celebrations, so expect a little price count for the more valuable cards. Like, everything here is going to be worth something the first couple of days, so yeah, like Palkia might be worth like $2, but like realistically in a couple of weeks, it's going to simmer down. So we have Palkia, and then we have, oh my gosh, this Reshiram, holy cannoli, that looks so cool. Wow, that effect, wow, that looks awesome. Okay, I'm gonna take my sweet time with each one of these cards. Okay, I gotta pick up the pace somewhat here. We have the Groudon, pretty cool with the some Team Magma members there. This chick, very questionable motives there, and then we have what? The Mew! Oh my gosh! Oh yes! Oh, this isn't the shiny one. Yeah, the shiny one's, well, it's obviously blue. But wow, this is one of the newer Pokemon you can expect to see. Wow, that looks so gorgeous. Cool. Moving on. Next pack, let's see what we got. So like I said, 4 cards each pack. So, well, these openings can be kind of fast, but not for me because I'm gonna take my time with each one of these cards. Good card, here you go. Dude, there's no, I don't know how to do a damn pack trick here. Let me know in the comment section below if there is one. Dialga, okay, cool. We got Palkia in the first, and now we have Dialga. Wow, okay, interesting. We're getting the other halves of the partners here. We got Reshiram in the first, then we got Zekrom. Cool. Same kind of art style too. Then we have Cosmog. Interesting selection Pokemon. I know Cosmo, Lunala, and Solgaleo are also in here. God, I hope I don't pull Cosmo. Jesus Christ. And then we have quite the follow-up. Thanks. Something I haven't really noticed and gone over is the actual pet artwork for the sets. There's basically one design, but it's a pretty cool design, I have to admit. It's just all the starters, and then of course the little Pikachu Celebrations logo itself. Pretty cool. I like it. I think. Oh Christ above! We have another. What are you in charge of? Space. That's right. The owner of the Space Stone. Cool. No pack trick. All right. Which, by the way, let's go over real quick. Now I already have you. Yeah, this set in its entirety, it's very small. Only 50 cards total. These 25 are going to be very easy to get, but there's another 25, which is the Classic Collection. Those you're going to have to go a little out of your way for to properly complete. Alright, so, okay, well, it looks like there's a pattern here. We got a Reshiram. Then we have... No way. Well, speak of the Classic Collections, we got one of them. We got the Venusaur from base set, a reprint. Wow. Oh my gosh, Jesus. Yep. You're as ugly as I remembered you being. Holy... That looks awesome. And if I'm not mistaken, this isn't like a retrain. This isn't like a more competitive version. This is verbatim what Venusaur looked like back in the day, obviously. Oh, wow. The little cheeks on the Pikachu have a little foiling as well. That's so cool. But yeah, this is exactly what Venusaur looked like back in base set. Same attack, same hollowing pattern. The HP is the same. This is so cool. It's a true reprint. I understand the Charizard from Evolutions had quite the level up. It had more HP. The Fire Spin attack did way more damage. But yeah, nice to see that. Cool. I did that. And then, wow, okay, one of the V cards. Sweet. Zamazenta V. Nice. Moving on. But what a pleasant surprise that was. Nice. Good pickup. All right, let's see what Darkness Ablaze has. Hopefully we get that, it'd be pretty crazy if we get the VMAX Charizard, or the Dynamax Charizard. There you go, code card. It kind of like spoiled the whole celebration side of this opening, which is what we're all really going for here. Alright, we got a Furret, we have a Flaffy, we have an Ariados, Bounsweet, Dunsparce, Electrike, Galarian Mr. Mime, we got a Grimer. My gosh, he's in hot pursuit of whatever poor prey. We have a Steedy Reverse, nice, cool. And then we have... whatever that, a Sulgor. Moving on. Alright, let's look at another pack, but before that, here's the rest of the code for the Memories box. Go crazy. Go nuts. Go ape. You know what I mean. Ape Dookie. No, yeah, yes, there is a code card. Whoops. Jesus. They're all white, to be sure. Yeah, okay. No fucking trick. Alright, we have a Zekrom. Cool. Finally, something different from the pattern we've been seeing. We have, wow, a Lugia. A Luger. Cool, I like that foiling. Then we also have a, what? Two? The original starters in the same box? That's gnarly. What are the chances of that happening? Okay, for example, this card, probably one of the more pricier ones, so yeah, you expect to see a price point somewhere. But wow, that looks so cool. It's pretty funny, but I don't really expect to see any swirls from back in the day. I'm not one of those swirl fiends that really go after the holos with swirls, but I know there's like several dedicated swirl hunters, I guess. But yeah, I'm assuming there aren't going to be any swirls in none of these cards. Pretty cool nonetheless. And then what's the last one? Another Lunala! Thanks. Alright, another Celebrations pack. Let's see what this one has. And then after that, we'll crack open the Battle Styles. Here you go. Here's the code card. Get something good, why don't you? And there's no pack trick, jeez. We have any Voltal. That actually looks pretty cool looking. The epitome of destruction or something, right? Something like that. Then we have Cosmog. Man, wow, dude, crazy. I was looking for another one of these. Nice, thanks. And we have a Zekrom. And then we have... Whoa! No, wait, what? The Flying Pikachu? This is actually... I thought this was going to be a promo. It's actually in the set. I completely forgotten. What is wrong with this Pikachu? Jesus Christ, what in the world? It looks like it has the meat sweats going on here. What's going on with you, brother? Cool. With Max Balloon. What an attack. Arc entry. Okay, alright, well. Alright, Battle Styles, let's see if we get an alternate art. Otherwise, you're literally just in the way of celebrations. Here's the code card. Here you go. Go nuts. That's a pack trick. We got a Level Ball. We have a Spoopa, Gliscor, Fomantis, Remoraid, Spearow, Pachirisu, Cherubi, Steelix as a reverse. That is a rare reverse. Pretty nice. And then we have, yeah, you're literally just in the way. All right, last pack from the Memories collection. Let's see if we get something strong, something we haven't gotten yet. So yeah, anticipate a lot of repeats, excuse me, of the normal 25 cards in the set. Like I said, there's very few cards. So, let's see if we get something we haven't seen before. We got a Voltal. How many Cosmogs? Lord. Jeez. Reshiram, okay. And then we had... Woo! Alright, moving on to the Pikachu V Union Box. I'm actually a huge fan of this collection in particular because, well, who doesn't like 5,000 Pikachus? Alright, so here we have the V Union Pikachu promos. I believe this is just 1 out of 4 V Unions that are available at the moment. The other 3 being Greninja, Zacian, and Mewtwo, which I just did a video on. Make sure to check it out. Shameless plug, no problem. Yeah, I want to say out of all the V Unions, this is my favorite. Because who doesn't like all sorts of different Pikachus from all sorts of different artists? We have the Uyama, we have Kaiko Saito somewhere around here. We have... I don't know, is Yukimura here? Maybe. And of course, all the Union boxes do come with a Professor Burnett, but this one's kind of special because it does also come with the 25th Anniversary Celebrations logo. That's a nice attention to detail that Pokemon did not overlook. Kudos. And of course, here's some of the code card, and make sure to stick around for the last couple of digits. And so let's look at the Jumbo promo here. Wow, it looks gorgeous. Holy smokes. Nice. Definitely frame-worthy. Alright, so let's look at the packs we have available, which looks like it's going to be 4 Celebrations, Darkness Ablaze, and a Battle Styles. Let's get rid of the Darkness Ablaze first. Hopefully we get something good from the actual Sword and Shield sets. Yeah, it was a good idea to get rid of these first. Jeez, alright, Pokemon Breeders Nurturing. Okay, Gothorita, Vibrava, Spinarak, Pampor, Diglett with Gleam in the Eye. We got a Jigglypuff, we got a Rowlet, we got a Volcarona Reverse. Okay, and let's see what our dot is. Interesting. Gonna set the Scorch Fuller. Okay, alright, playing games with me, I see. I'm about it. Well, that was pleasantly surprising. Let's check out our first celebration pack from the set. There we go. Just mutilate the pack. But make sure, don't touch the card inside. Alright, we have the code card for the kids. Go nuts. No pack trick, Jesus. We have a Xerneas. We have a Dialga. But, by the way, that's the first Xerneas now. Cool. Dialga, we have... Yeah, whoa, dude. That's so freaking rad. We got... the birthday Pikachu. Wow, that's awesome. Does it say they... I don't think it's going to say it. But I'm pretty sure you can't use this in an actual tournament or whatever. An actual Pokemon game, right? Because back in the day, there was this huge issue where you had to provide proof that it was your birthday, and if it was your birthday, this attack does like way more damage, which is again very problematic because you have to basically just bring in your birth certificate to confirm, hey, it's my birthday. This attack does more damage. But yeah, very cool, controversial card. It was basically like the holy grail for a lot of collectors back in the day. Pretty cool that it has a reprint for the modern day collector today. Nice. And then don't forget about our last card we have. Whoa, cool. Yo, Oak. Looking good, brother. Nice. We even get the same hairline going on. Sweet. I dig the 90-degree lineup you have there. Go. Nice. A full art professor's research. I don't like the fact that the word research is going over and overlapping Oak's hair there. Cool, but nice. Quite the scholar. All right, next celebrations pack. Let's see what we got in here. How many Pikachu-centered cards are in this set then? Because I know there's the birthday Pikachu. There's the full art base set Pikachu. There's the flying. There's a surfing Pikachu. There's a whole bunch of Pikachu-centered cards. We have a Zekrom. We have, oh, our first Ho-Oh. That looks pretty damn clean. Holy, nice. I dig that. And then we have, oh, our first Kyogre with some Team Aqua shenanigans going on. Cool. Make sure you don't get, well, eaten, I guess. And then we have, speaking of the Pikachu cards, we have another Flying Pikachu V Max. This one without the sweats. Nice, immediate replacement. Cool. All right, let's look at our Battle Styles pack real quick. See what we have. Do we want to flip this one over? We sure do. Man, I've adapted quite well. Okay, alright. I'm a fast learner, you know. We got a Level Ball, we have a Bouffalant, we have a Bruxish. Ooh, Jesus. By the way, Bruxish, I believe it's based off a Triggerfish Pokemon, but it's also a play on the word Bruxism and fish. Go to school, kids. We got Frillish, we got Cubone, we got Zubat, we got a Spearow, we got a Fomantis, we got a Centiskorch. Reverse, okay, doesn't stand anywhere near the full art. And then we have, moving on. All right, 2 packs remain. Let's see if we can get anything spicy. Let's see if we can get the Charizard. That'd be crazy to get all 3 of the OG starters in one opening, one sitting. That's nuts. Here's the code card. Yeah, there's no damn pack trick. We have a Xerneas, another Ho-Oh, a Palkia. Okay, cool. And then we have another Zamazenta, another V. Cool. Last pack. All right, can we strike some gold here? Which, by the way, expect more celebrations openings in the near future. It's what everybody's been talking about. So stick around, make sure to subscribe and all that jazz. No pack trick, goddamn. All right, we got a Groudon. We have the Cosmic Bean. Finally, Cosmome. Please, no more Lunalas. Or Solgaleo, for that matter. Oh, no way, that looks so badass. Donphin Prime. Wow, that looks so badass. From the Heart Gold Soul Silver, that looks awesome with a little gleam and the little tusk it has there. That's so cool. So yeah, this was, I believe, a very competitive card back in its day. I mean, it wasn't around to play the game, and I kind of really don't. Nah, anyway. But wow, that's so cool. That's so clean. Nicely textured too. And then we have, really? The last pack came through. The Pikachu! Oh my gosh, with the red cheeks and the gleam in the eyes, and then don't forget about that Caterpie. A little cameo appearance back there. Wow, that looks so cool. Nice. Man, you are going to have quite the glow up in the next 20 years. You're going to, that body fat of yours, that BMI, they're going to go straight down. Finally got on that Weight Watchers. I can't believe we got the Pikachu full art as our last, quite literally our last card in the opening. Right on. And before I forget, here is the rest of the code for the Pikachu V Union collection. Alright everyone, that's going to do it for me. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps your boy out a lot. And you're going to want to pay special attention to the channel moving forward the next couple of weeks. There will be a giveaway announcement. Don't sleep. You've been warned. Until then, I'm Ken. Take it easy. See ya. Peace.